Hello Divi fans. In this video, I'm going to go over presets. Also another thing, in the last video, when I clicked Save Draft, as you'll notice, no fields here. The reason there's no fields there is because it's not connected to an email delivery service. If the email option is not connected to an email delivery service, fields won't show up. Once it's connected to an email delivery service, the fields will show up like on our blog page. On our blog page, this email option module is connected to MailChimp. So the way to create a search bar like this, I'm going to create another module, search module. As you can see, I already set it to a preset by default. So every time I go into here and create another module, another search module, by default, the one that will appear before any changes are made is this one. So let's switch to another preset, preset 1. And the way this is created, I go into the button text, the button and border color. The text color I'm going to make black, and the font I'm going to make Barlow condensed. The text size is going to be 18 pixels. The letter spacing is 1 pixel. Line height will be 1.2. I'm going to make the font weight bold. If you know it's not, make it bold. Let's keep it at regular. And then the background, the button and border color, let's make that orange. And then I'm going to go into spacing, not spacing, border. I'm going to make this 15 pixels on the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. And let's make it 20 pixels. As you can see, it now looks identical. And then save draft. And then I'm going to go into here. I'm going to delete this preset. And I'm going to click where it says new preset from current styles. Then I'm going to assign it as a default. Actually, before that, let's create another one, search module. And as you can see, the default preset is the one it was before. And I'm going to go up here into search preset, go into settings, assign as default, save preset. As you can see, it updates automatically. Then I'm going to delete these two search bars above it. Search. Wow, it's saved. Create another search module. Save. I'm going to delete the two of it. Add new module. Search. And below that, I'm going to have a blog module, blog preset. I also saved a blog layout on our blog page as a preset also. And I'm going to make that the default. So if I create another blog module, by default, it is now a 3x3 grid layout instead of a 1 where this module or content area would take up one whole area on the screen. And now it's a 3x3 grid instead of a full width layout. That concludes the video. I hope you found it informative. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below the video, and subscribe to the channel.